In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Synthesia. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to get Synthesia running like a standalone app by installing the website as an application through your browser. This gives you a clean window and an easy shortcut without a complicated setup. First, open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Synthesia AI and press enter. You're looking for the official Synthesia site in the results. A quick tip: check the URL to make sure you're on the legitimate website before proceeding. This helps you avoid lookalike pages and ensures everything works as expected. Click the official Synthesia result to open the site. Give the page a moment to fully load. Now, look to the very top right corner of your browser window for the three-dot menu icon. This is where Chrome and many Chromium-based browsers keep extra options. Open that menu, then find the section labeled Cast, Save, and Share. Depending on your browser version, it may appear slightly differently, but you should see a group for saving and sharing tools. From there, choose Install Pages app. This option tells your browser to wrap the current website in its own dedicated window, so it behaves more like a traditional desktop application. When the install prompt appears, select Install to confirm. Your browser will quickly create the app and launch it in a separate window without the usual browser tabs and address bar. That's it. Synthesia is now installed as an app-like experience, making it easier to access and keeping your workflow tidy. A few helpful notes. Installing the page as an app doesn't download a large program. It creates a streamlined shortcut that opens Synthesia in its own window. This is ideal if you want quick access without managing a full installer. If you don't immediately see the Install Page as App option, make sure you're on the main Synthesia site and that the page is fully loaded. It can also help to update your browser to the latest version, since the install feature improves over time. The new app will appear in your system's app list or launcher, and you can search for it by name the next time you want to open it. And that's the complete process. You went to Google, searched for Synthesia AI, opened the official site, used the browser's three-dot menu, chose Cast, Save and Share, selected Install Pages app, and confirmed install. Enjoy creating videos with a fast, app-like setup.